guys? Sentry Boys here from YouTube. So, what are we going to be doing today, Tesh?
Playing with the dogs.
This is Tesh's dog, by the way.
There's that fat dog. No, he's not fat.
Is
He's like
he? Yeah. But anyways,
Where's your ball?
let's go find his ball. Okay, guys, I found the ball. This is the ball. Now this is Tesh. Okay, guys, we found the ball and threw it. And now do some. Where is he? Where is he? You want to play?
Whoa!
Oh, catch. Hey, what a dog.
What a cat.
What a dog. Well, I said what a dog, so selfie time. Okay. Tesh, we need to do something.
Look at him catch, you guys.
Oh, like a boss.
Whoa!
Oh,
He likes to
Fly. Stupid fly. Cuddle, cuddle, cuddle. They're
Anyways.
very playful dogs. Very, very playful.
Oh.
Oh. What?
Yeah, we're leveling that out. Yeah. Okay, come on.
Let's go. This will be like our daily vlog, guys. So we will be doing some stuff. We have had a comment from who is it?
Thomas.
Thomas.
Check out his channel.
Yeah,
Link in
guys.
the description.
Yep, we will be putting the link in the description.
Ah.
Oh, what a kick. So you can go see his channel, subscribe to his channel if you want. Not saying that you can't. Not saying that you can't. Yeah. So, go visit his channel because he was our first notifier, or he sent our first notification. So, anyways, guys, see you just now. Okay, guys, we are back. We just had to go say hi to someone. Yeah. So, we'll be playing with Tesh's dog today. Right, Tesh?
Yeah.
Thanks. Okay. Let's see if Lucifer can catch from a very high height. Wait. Just get into perfect position. Okay. Oh, God.
Oh.
Yeah.
When you have confused dogs.
Dogs.
There's kind of a dead bird over there.
Let's go check it out, guys. Let's
No,
go
no,
check
no.
it out. What?
You're not gonna get demonetized.
Demonetized. I'm new to this shit. Damn it! Well, anyways. Whoa. Yo. Hi.
Get the camera out of here.
Oh.
So yeah, we'll have a nice video coming up next.
Yeah.
So,
We'll probably have like a gaming, or probably we'll be doing challenges.
yeah, and
Next
click
video.
that notifications button.
Yeah. Well, anyways.
Before, click that subscribe button, and then next to that thing, click the notifications.
Okay. What? Okay.
Don't forget to like.
Okay. We will be seeing you later, guys, and see you on our next video. Bye.
Bye.